Hello, I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Hallie Vogel. As we head through the overnight hours, not only keeping the clouds, but we'll also add the chance for rain showers or possibly even a rain-snow combination. It does turn messy overnight, and then rounds of wet weather ahead into our weekend. Take a look after midnight. You can see a distinct dividing line between snow, moderate to even occasionally heavy, through Saginaw, Bad Axe to around Port Sanilac, and then we see a little bit of that wintry mix near and just north of I-69. It's going to be a close call. Most of Metro Detroit should see mainly rain showers overnight into Friday, but again, the further north you are, the messier, the little bit icier it's going to get. We keep the chance for rain showers in the forecast tomorrow off and on because of the milder temperatures, and then late Saturday into Sunday, this is going to be interesting. Each forecast model wants to be a little bit different, whether it brings in the colder air and it'll be snow, or could be we're just on that border of the possibility of some heavy rain into Sunday. We're going to keep a close eye on that. We're going to continue to update it. But for right now, we are looking at anywhere from 2 inches upwards of the heaviest 4 inches. That is through the thumb. A freezing rain and snow combination anywhere from Pontiac up toward Fenton, Lapeer, Port Huron, and then mainly rain. Could see a little bit of that freezing rain combination around Metro Detroit, but again, most of it will be rain as temperatures rise through the overnight hours. Will be above freezing, well above freezing in the upper 30s tomorrow, mid 30s on Saturday, even low 40s on Sunday. Monday, temperatures will take a big nosedive. We'll be in the 20s to start the week. Well, thank you for clicking on WXYZ.com. I hope you have a great night.